Hi, I'm Adam Clare. I make games and I also teach game design. And I'm all about games that make the world a bit better because there's a lot of opportunities where you can use games to get people to think differently about the world around them and to get them engaging in knowledge that they wouldn't normally engage in, and do it in a safe space where players can basically fail at the game but learn meaningfully through that failure. I've made games that are trying to get people to actually engage with information or complex tasks, which might be complicated, stressful conversations in a normal setting, but you change it to a game and people feel less attached to the underlying moral of the issue, but they're still able to address problems in a safer environment. Because, well, an example could be if you're in a workplace and you want to propose an alternative way of doing things, it's very difficult to go to your boss and say you're doing everything wrong. But if you're able to put the problem inside of a game and have all the people involved with the problem explore different solutions and possibilities that could be used to solve the problem, you remove the hierarchies from the situation, and you remove the social baggage, if you will, and the context, and all of a sudden you're able to explore these ideas in way more meaningful ways. Games allow us to recontextualize the conditions in which we solve problems. Games we can engage for different perspectives through roleplay, but we can also engage games in different ways by having the players take on problems that they're not usually exposed to. The way we can use games and the way we've learned to use games has evolved. And so we can create games about almost any problem, any situation players find themselves in. In the intelligence community, there's a lot of difficult situations out there, which will be a lot of different opinions on how to deal with. And if you're able to game that out, it means that the players get to take these different perspectives that they otherwise would not have the opportunity to take, and lives aren't at stake in that context. The game called Pandemic came out, I don't know, early like 2000 something, and Pandemic opened up a lot of people's eyes to how you could take on different roles to take on these different challenges around fighting a pandemic. And so people were able to better understand the possibility spaces that occur with these different roles and what the different roles can actually engage in. So Pandemic is a game that's commercially available. You can go and get it now, and you can start to see how games can be used to explore how we deal with real world problems.